Hi, Tuma here. I came across a problem with this drill. It's sticky. Something is happening to degrade the plastic. There's a kind of soft finish on this, and I've gathered from looking at other YouTube's videos that it's quite difficult to remove. Alcohol will remove it completely, like it would take the black off here, and it'll take lettering off. Some people suggested cornflour, some people suggested baking soda. Alright, I'll show you what I've discovered, and this, I reckon, will fix the problem for most people. Right, just come in close, Moni. I'm Tuma, by the way. Right, I've already tried. Can you see that? Yeah? Right, I've tried the cornflour. Tried it in one section and it worked. It did quite a good job. Then I tried bicarbonate of soda. That also worked. But what works best is to combine the two. I mixed bicarb and the cornflour. Just mix it dry, and this type of sponge is ideal that you would use for your dishes. You just want it damp. No more than damp, because you don't want to be dripping water into your electrics in any device. Load up part of the sponge, and then this is all sticky across here, so make sure it's staying dry and just give it a good rub in. And it really doesn't take long at all. It seems to neutralise whatever that sticky material is. Horrible stuff. That feels horrible in the hands. Yes, I know we'll have people saying use your tools more and we'll avoid this, but not all of us are using tools all the time. I think that's a stupid comment. The point is, we want to deal with the problem, and this works. Cornflour and baking soda, not baking powder. Must be baking soda, they're very different compounds. So it's in the handle as well, and this was really tacky, and you can see by looking at that, I think it shows, well, hopefully it shows in the camera, but you can see there's some dark material in there amongst it. So really thorough rinse and just gently, softly wipe that off, and you can see the difference. There's no tackiness. I don't need to wait till it dries. I know that's going to dry absolutely fine, because it feels like normal. Any parts you think need a little bit more work, then just apply a little more, and it doesn't even take that much elbow grease. It does the job. I would never have thought of using cornflour. Baking soda, yes, I use baking soda for cleaning all sorts of things, but combined with the cornflour, that is a seriously good solution. Hope this will help to you. Thank you. The end.